So we're not really gonna be doing too much with it other than kind of doing a review on something else that somebody asked me to look at, I guess, if you will. It's called Shine Armor. This stuff. It is a window cleaner. Somebody approached me about checking it out for a few weeks, say what I think about it. To be honest with you, super impressed with it. And that's not just the fact that I was asked to do it. It was, I've used it a few times already and it does amazing. It actually smells really nice, which is oddly enough weird. A couple cool things about it. It is ceramic. On top of that, it doesn't contain ammonia, which is super nice. Those of you who have window tint know ammonia kills window tint. You're not supposed to use ammonia on window tint. It doesn't go well. It'll work temporarily, but over time it tends to destroy the window tint. So something to keep in mind in the back of your head. The other stuff, this is ceramic. It is water repellent. So it, when you put water on it, or you know, like where I'm at now, they deal with snow and stuff like that, it repels it. It doesn't stick, which is kind of nice. And I figured I'd go ahead and show y'all what this stuff's all about. So pretty simple. We're just gonna spray it on. The way I do it, one side I'll use to wipe it down, the other side I'll flip it over to buff it off. So it's pretty simple, just like so. Flip the rag over and buff it off. Just like wiping it off. It's pretty easy. The same side that you used to wipe it down before. And you can see right through it all. It's like it's not even there. All right, so what's about to happen is my in-laws are the ones who own this thing. I'm gonna go around and clean all their windows for them. Before you ask why didn't I do this on my own car, well, they actually have children's. So you can imagine their windows don't stay very clean. They vary in ages. So I offered that if they would let me use their vehicle in the video, I would clean the windows. So I'm gonna go through, wash all of the windows inside and out. This makes it super easy, the Shine Armor stuff. I am not a fan of doing windows, to give you an idea. So super excited to use it. They'll get clean windows. I get to get y'all a short little video about Shine Armor. So it's really cool products, very easy to use. Do me a favor, if you decide you want to purchase them, go to the Shine Armor website, which I will put a link down in the description. Actually, you'll see it at the bottom of the page, somewhere around this general area. So you guys can go check it out. Do me a favor, use the promo code SPC2020. You guys will get a discount. I believe it's 20%. I will put a description of what all you guys get. Will help me out, help the channel out. It'll help Shine Armor out and help them keep delivering good products to you guys.